Okay, 8:44, everybody. We got a lot to talk about in this weather forecast, including what could become two hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico over the next, day to 3 or 4 days. And we'll get to it right now. We got mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies around West Michigan. There have been some additional clouds floating in within the past couple of hours, and that's due to a weak weather disturbance that really is not going to do much more than just add some additional clouds today. Not talking about an overcast, just a mixture of sun and clouds here into the afternoon. We'll take it to 89 degrees. Sunrise, by the way, at 6:57, so that approaching 2 hours behind us at this point. And a sunset does come in today at 8:31. Southwest winds very light right now, pick up slightly 5 to 15 late morning and 4 this afternoon. Here is this disturbance from northeast down to the southwest in Illinois, and there's a lot of real estate in between where there's nothing going on, just some broken clouds. That's pretty much all we're going to get today. Some showers and thunder showers just to the north of our viewing area. Did have a couple thunder showers work on through Oceana County about 2 hours ago, and pretty much right on track. We've got high pressure overhead. This disturbance trying to break that down slowly from west to east, eroding away at the high pressure. So the net result is that the further west and northwest you go, that's where the best shot for a shower is. But it looks like a lot of this fading away. You can see that shower over Lake Michigan right now. As that creeps closer to Ottawa County, likely that will shrivel up completely. But again, did have some heavier downpours in Oceana County. That has moved off to the north. Look at the temperature trend forecast. We get to 90 tomorrow. Should be pretty balmy. Humidity will be felt. So feeling like the mid 90s, I think, with the heat indices. We dropped to 87 on Tuesday. That's because of some additional clouds and the chance, at least, for a morning thunderstorm cluster to kind of come on through, probably weakening as it does so, but could have some gusty winds off to the northwest, closer proximity to where they will be originating in Wisconsin late on Monday evening. So keep tabs on that. Early Tuesday could have some rain around nearby, and then early on Wednesday may have a second cluster of showers and storms to impact especially northern and northeastern sections along a warm front on the periphery of this heat dome. That heat will blast in, though. The precipitation will get out of here. So briefly surging to very high levels on Wednesday afternoon, early evening. It'll stay warm on Thursday, then late Thursday into Friday, this cold front approaches. And it seems as though that'll be our best shot for some area-wide, at least wider spread rain in the form of showers and storms at that time. Still several days down the line. We can only cross our fingers that we can get some rainfall around here, but it would appear as though late Thursday into Friday, our best chance. But we'll have that opportunity as soon, I think, as early on Tuesday morning as well. Feels like temperatures, heat indices by Wednesday afternoon up around 100 degrees perhaps. But keep in mind, we're already going to be in the mid 90s tomorrow with the heat indices. I just wanted to show you the graphic where I've got the highest number, and that looks to be on Wednesday. This is Tropical Storm Marco in the southern Gulf of Mexico being impacted by southwesterly shear. That means winds at the upper levels are pretty strong and blowing the tops off of some of those thunderstorms. So that keeps the system in check intensity-wise. We'll see if that holds sway, because there are some indications the shear could back off for a period today. System may in fact reach a Category 1 status at that point. We'll see how that goes. Then it curves into Louisiana, the bayous of Louisiana. At some point, it does look like very late on Monday. This track has come further eastward dramatically versus yesterday. So lots of changes with tropical systems sometime. And take a look at this. Tropical Storm Laura over the Dominican Republic as we speak. The southern part of that island and moving off to the west. A very well-formed system, good outflow. It looks very healthy, but being impacted by land at the current time. This will likely skirt the southern shores of Cuba. If it holds on to that really nice organization pattern, if it gets out over open waters, folks, all bets are off. This thing could explode into a very strong hurricane. Latest update from the National Hurricane Center does actually take that to 100-mile-per-hour Category 2, and it's possible it could go stronger than that. So you want to keep tabs on that system down south and making landfall in fairly close proximity, Brody, to where it appears Marco will be. So this is going to be very interesting with regards to the Gulf of Mexico over the next couple of days. Our weather pattern just looking hot and humid. I've already spelled it out for you. Chances of rain there from time to time. Eventually it does go cooler and drier by next weekend.
All right, Anthony, thanks for that. Well,